What's up guys, I'm going to teach you some cool moves that you can pull out in the club to get some attention and hopefully get you know, that special person you've been eyeing off back to your room so you can give them a lap dance. So the moves I'm going to show you today basically are trying to, I guess you could say, emulate what females do in the club as well, but with more of a masculine style. And now I say that because both yourself and your partner, you want to be matching yourselves with your movements. So you want to be like in sync and kind of dancing as one. And when you do that, you create a stronger connection with that individual you're dancing with. So I'm going to show you the moves that we're going to be using today. There's 3 main moves. The first one is a side-to-side body roll, okay? The second one is a hip grinding movement. And the third one is a hip sway movement. Now these are all dance moves females use, so we're going to kind of sync in with their movements, but add a little bit more of a masculine flavor to it. So the side to side body roll. Basically what we want to do is just step out and body roll down. Body roll down. Body roll down. Okay, so we start with our chest and we slowly let our spine roll all the way down to our hips. Now, as I step out to whichever particular side that I'm doing the body roll to, that is the side we face with our chest. So as we step out, notice how my toe is pointing towards that direction. I follow that with my chest. Push it out and body roll down, finishing at the hips. Step. Step, step, step. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you do it in the club. By the way, all these dance moves, they're small dance moves for a reason, because in a club, you're going to be surrounded by people right here, right here, right here. You need to be confident in dancing sexy in a small environment. So, first of all, with the side-to-side body roll, you can dance by putting your hands on the hips right here. I'll go through a variety of different positions, but let's focus on the hands right now. So we can do the hips, and you want to split the legs. So you want to step in between her legs so you're not directly on top of each other's toes. Once you've split her legs, bridge that gap, okay? Get nice and close, hands on your hips, and we're going to body roll. Okay, so let's go through a couple of different positions. Now, hands on her back right here, right underneath her shoulder blades is another good one. And body roll. And we can also put our arms up over her shoulders. Now, I'm not resting the whole weight of my arms on her shoulders. That would make her feel quite uncomfortable, might pull on her hair. So I'm gonna like let my arms hover kind of just right above them, so it looks like they're resting there. It's a very intimate position. Split the legs and body roll. And finally, there will be a time when you might be in this position where the girl backs up on you, or you know, you kind of just find yourself in this position. It happens. Same thing applies, okay? Slowly get to one side a little bit, and same positions. You can go through the same motions, body roll on the hips, okay? So practice that, guys. And once you feel confident with that, let's move on to the next one, the hip grinding. Okay, let's look at hip grinding now. Same thing again with the hand positions. I'm gonna demonstrate them. So with the hip grinding movement, we're not stepping out to the side this time. It's more or less staying in the same spot. The movement happens from the hips. It's a circular motion that you control with your hip flexors and all the muscles around your hips, okay? So we don't want to be moving our whole body with this. We want to be isolating the torso, isolating the legs, and moving around with our hips. Now, this is, I see girls do hip grinding all the time in clubs, and this is a great one to really get down with them, because not many guys know how to do it or have the flexibility to do it. And if you can do it and you can get down with them, I guarantee you it's going to turn them on. So we bridge that gap, we split the legs just like we said before.